So this right here is my custom made Injustice 2 fight stick that I have made. It's made out of wood. I took a regular Injustice Gods Among Us fight stick and I took the guts outside of it and put it in a wooden cabinet. As you can see, there's a marquee here, 8-button American style layout. See them straight. Happ joystick, Happ competition joystick. Got the blue T molding. And look at the artwork. That's the side panel artwork. The other side, it's kind of hard filming with one hand and trying to show you guys. And then what I think is really cool about it is, look, the control panel from the fight stick is taken off, put right here. But then if you flip this up, the switch right here, backlit marquee, as if it was like an arcade cabinet. Let me turn the light off. See how that looks? It's really cool. So it works with the PS4 Legacy, but I'm gonna get a Brook Super Converter to make it work with PS4 not Legacy. Pretty good. The original buttons. Turn off the marquee. See, it has a little switch right here. A little switch controls the marquee. And then what I think is cool is that when you start the game, the blue LEDs come on from the original stick. And it kind of gives it a double LED type of look. See, it came blue, turn blue. Turn the marquee off, it's all dark blue. Turn it back on, it's like blue and white. Marquee, Legacy support. Pretty dope.